Government employees, good news! You can now avail our 7,000 pesos per year na HMO dito sa Medicard. Limited time offer lang to. Dito sa Government Worker Healthcare Plan, minimum nga lang na 200 employees para maka-avail nitong group plan. 7K siya per year per employee and naka-box type na or naka-package na yung mga coverages para sa government employee. Ang benefits niya ay inpatient, ER, tsaka outpatient. Ang ating annual benefit limit ay 60K. Pag annual benefit limit or ABL, so lahat na ng mga illnesses, shared limit dito sa 60K. Nationwide ang ating coverage, but when it comes to access para sa inpatient tsaka ER, meron tayong access sa accredited networks only, hindi kasama yung 5-star hospitals kung saan napapabilang yung Makati Med, Asian Hospital, St. Luke's QC and BGC, Cardinal Santos tsaka The Medical City. Sa outpatient naman, accredited clinics only without exclusive clinics. For pre-existing conditions or PEC dito, hindi natin covered ang pre-existing conditions kapag inpatient tsaka ER. But for check-up or outpatient consultations, covered po ng card. And with regards sa pwedeng ma-enroll na employees, of course, minimum 18 years old to a maximum 60 years old only. This plan is created to complement your existing PhilHealth benefits and syempre, makadagdag sa funds natin for medical expenses. So yung ibang mga details kanina na nakalagay dito, na-discuss ko na. Ito yung other details na maganda rin ma-share sa inyo. Yung laboratory at diagnostic procedure assistance is up to 3,000 pesos per year. Let's go to the itemized benefits. So under the room and board, 500 pesos per day po ang ating coverage. So maliit lang siya. So anything in excess after PhilHealth care of the member na. And then for hospital services, 10,000 pesos per confinement. Note the following. So sabi dito yung room and board benefits refresh every 30 days. Any confinement within 30 days from the date of discharge will be subject to the remaining confinement days from the initial maximum of 45 days. For example, yung member na confined sa hospital noong January 1 to 5 and then after that na-discharge siya. After 10 days, na-confine ulit siya ng January 16 to 20 na sinabi ng doctor symptoms daw siya na related dun sa first confinement. Ang dahil doon, hindi mare-refresh yung when it comes to room and board natin at pareho sila at mako-considered na one confinement, dun napapasok dun yung maximum 45 days of confinement. If ever yung member, nandito naman, na-confine siya nung March 1, dahil lagpas na siya dun sa palugit na 30 days, na-confine siya nung March 1 to 5, ang mangyayari considered na new confinement na to, mare-refresh na ulit yung pagbibilang ng room and board. For inpatient benefits, when it comes to surgery, 15,000 per surgery naman yung ating limit. For doctor's call, 500 pesos per day naman yung covered ng card to a maximum 45 days per confinement. For inpatient emergency assistance, up to limit siya nung ating card. Annual benefit limit na 60,000. For our outpatient benefits or consultation, 500 pesos per consultation po ang pwede dito sa card to a maximum 12 times na consultation. Ito naman yung nabanggit ko kanina when it comes to diagnostic procedures, x-ray labs, 3,000 per year naman yung mako-cover lang sa card. For outpatient benefit na treatment, sa clinic po ito, 200 pesos per consultation, maximum 20 times per year. Kindly take note of the following. Sabi dito, kailangan daw magpa-pre-authorization except for emergency cases. So dito tayo magre-reach out sa mga emails na nakalagay dito. And then filing of reimbursement claim should be done within 30 days upon date of discharge. Again, tulad na nabanggit ko kanina, meron tayong access sa lahat ng mga accredited facilities ng Medicard except yung 5-star hospitals na nabanggit ko kanina. And when it comes to pre-existing conditions, pwede lang natin siya makover for check-up. For the consultations or check-up, may limitation lang yung ating plan na dapat magpa-check up muna daw tayo sa general practitioner or general doctor bago tayo magpa-refer sa specialist kung kakailanganin. And ang coverage ng ating plan ay again, ABL or annual benefit limit, meaning shared na yung all illnesses sa 60K. Subject na ito sa PhilHealth. Siyempre pag may mga outpatient procedures o kaya naman na-confine yung member after PhilHealth ito, anything in excess, care of member na. That's it. Those are the benefits of this government plan na limited time offer lang. So 7,000 siya per year, basta minimum 200 employees ang pwedeng maka-avail itong group plan na to. For any questions or inquiries with regards to this plan or any Medicard plans, you may comment down below or you can send me a message.